Good morning from Lanzarote, in fact from the sort of Puerto Del Carmen, Matagorda area. I'm here for a little bit of a 5-star treat today. I've got something for you. We're going to go and have another look at the Lava Beach. This is the 5-star. It's so nice, it's so plush, and it's super clean as well. Mike got in touch and said, we are stopping in one of the suites. Do you want to come and have a nose around? Well, you know me, 5-star, having a nose around a suite in the Lava Beach. Well, I couldn't refuse, could I? So I said, yes, Mike, I'm on my way, but I've got to bring you lot with me. So we're going to go and meet Mike and his wife, Kerry, but Mike's going to show us all the way around this amazing hotel, and we're going to get to see a room, which is something I've never shown you before. So come on, let's go for a little bit of 5-star luxury. Come on. So this place has a really funky design, and I did say that it's spotlessly clean. Just look at the windows. If the windows and the doors are this clean, imagine what the rest of the place is like. Through the twirly doors, you enter into this stunning reception, and you're literally blinded by how shiny it is. Everything is super modern. It is a really, really modern place, this. Everything happens out at the pool. Now, I have done a video on this place, a full video, where you can have a good old mooch around the whole hotel, but this is just a little sneaky peek of what the pool looks like. This is one pool, the main one. There's no reserving sunbeds here, and the sunbeds look super comfortable as well. Just look at that. It is absolutely beautiful. Now, this is a 5-star hotel, and you really do get that feel as well. It's not an adults-only hotel. There are kids allowed here, but they don't really advertise it as a family hotel, so you're going to get very few kids. Now, like I said before, I did have a good old nose around, including having a little look in the restaurant, which blew me away. The food looks amazing. We're going to ask Mike and see exactly what the food's like, but just look at breakfast. Super posh. So Mike said he's in one of the suites on the lower floor, and he said he's down by the pool with the jacuzzi. So this is where I'm going. Let's go see Mike, and let's go and have a look around a room at the Lava Beach. Right then, here we are, and I tell you what, this is super, super posh. I love these corridors, and look at the doors. How cool are they? Right, Mike said it was room 1124, which is this one. Let's give it a knock. That is a solid door.
Hello,
Mike, how are you? You all right?
Fine, thanks.
Are you treating me to a little bit of 5-star today?
Bit of 5-star luxury tomorrow.
Right, let's have a look at this room. Come on. Right then, Mike. So we're here at the 5-star Lava Beach, and I tell you what, this is super modern, isn't it?
It's quite impressive, Dave, yeah.
It's beautiful. Look, I like all the LED lights. Look, you got your big TV here. Any English channels, Mike?
There is.
You had a check for me.
I'll be watching the rugby league later.
There you go. And then I suppose this is a living area, no?
It is. I believe that pulls out to a double bed as well, so it offers more space if required.
But how many's here? Just you?
Just me and the wife.
You and Kerry, yeah?
Kerry, yeah.
Fantastic. Wow, and look at this. You've got a lovely little desk area as well.
So Kerry's using that as a dressing table at the moment.
Yeah.
So.
And tea and coffee making facilities?
Yeah, there's an espresso in the drawer and stuff. So yeah,
look at that. Oh, look at that, Mike. Now, you know you're in a posh gaff when you get one of these pod machines, don't you?
It is, it's nice.
And are they replaced all the time?
I think so, replaced on a daily basis.
Yeah, well, you've not been using them?
We have, but we're normally out when the maid comes in.
So they come in, replace it.
Yeah.
And you reckon that's a bed setter? Yes, it is definitely a sofa bed.
Yeah,
I can see that.
Pulls out, I think.
But it's super comfortable, actually. I quite like it that you can sort of sit here, watch the telly. You've got a little desk if you do need to do any work, or like you say, use as like a sort of vanity area. Yeah. And then I can't wait to get out on that terrace and see that. But why don't we head... In fact, is that a mirror there?
No, it's actually a pane of glass through to the bathroom.
What? Let me have a look here. Oh, wow, so you can see the bathroom there?
Yeah.
Well, I'll tell you what, you lead the way. Why don't we go and have a look at the bathroom first, and then we'll have a look at the bedroom. I like that look. You can see right through to the bathroom. Right, come on then. Oh, Mike, this is posh.
Nice whirlpool bath.
Jacuzzi bath.
Mm.
Wow, look at that. That is super posh. So you got jacuzzi bath. That's quite big as well.
It'll fit me in, so it's yeah.
Nice big shower. Really modern design as well. And come on, look at that. Lava beach. Dressing gown and slippers.
Yeah.
Oh, they'll be coming. They would be coming home with me. And lava beach towels as well. Look. Wow, it's all modern, isn't it? And very nice. And you can see out there as well.
Yeah, it's nice. In our last room here, we had a walk-in shower.
Oh,
so
right.
this time we got the bath, but yeah, both are really good.
So you stayed here before?
We have in March, yeah.
Oh, wow. And is this room similar to the other rooms?
It is, yeah. We had the junior pool view suite. It was up on the 3rd floor last time. But like I say, the only difference was it was a walk-in shower last time, which
got a bath.
Suits whichever.
And then over here, I love this. This is what I love about a 5-star look. You get all these little mod cons, don't you? And
all the little treats.
That looks quite posh as well. Serenity, lovely sink area as well. Mirror there for shaving.
Yep.
Big mirror there with all the lights. I don't see a hairdryer. Is there a hairdryer?
There is, in there.
I mean, let's face it, Mike.
And
you defo don't need a hairdryer, do you? But they do give you a hairdryer.
And straighteners.
And straighteners.
So
they're not yours. Well, not yours. They're not Kevin's.
No.
Wow. No. So there you go. You get there, and then through here is the toilet, which is separated off.
Yeah.
And there's some kind of remote control there, Mike.
Yeah, it's a bidet as well. The toilet doubles up as a bidet.
No way. Yeah. Now that's the first for me. I've not seen bidet toilets. So that's got all your little mod cons.
Yeah, it was a bit of a shock first time. I was, what's this? And I suddenly realised what it was.
So you thought it was a TV remote, and then all of a sudden there's some water.
Turn the channel over and got a bit of a surprise. So.
Bloody hell, I would say I'd have a go at that, but let's not. Right, Mike, you lead the way in there, because I can see a beautiful bedroom through there. Wow.
Nice and spacious and light.
Wow, this is beautiful. Look at that. So it's two sort of single beds.
Yeah.
Are they comfy?
They are very comfy, to be honest. Yeah.
They look it, and a massive amount of storage as well, like a double wardrobe.
2 doubles, yeah.
Beautiful, and I love this. And look at that. It's like a little old-fashioned phone.
Old-fashioned, yeah.
But with buttons.
Yeah. Best of both worlds.
Wow, look at that. And you've got a massive TV
Another one
here
yeah,
as well.
Yeah.
Oh, this is my type of place, this look. I could just see myself chilling on the bed, watching a bit of TV on the night. Lovely painting on the wall. That is beautiful. Right then, Mike, so I see we've got aircon as well in here. It's super cool.
Absolutely. I have it a bit cooler in the bedroom where I get ready. Kerry has it a bit warmer out here where she gets ready.
So you've got 2 aircons, one in here, so it controls
You can control it separately, so mine's always like a fridge.
Yeah, me too. I always like it a bit cold.
Yeah.
I think it's a male thing.
I think it must be something to do with the genes.
Yeah, I reckon. Right, I want to see outside.
Okay.
So come on, let me go out there onto this beautiful terrace and let's have a look. Wow, look at that. The sun coming up. You've got a pool view. Right,
absolutely.
Come on, let's get out there. Right then, Mike, this looks fantastic. Look at this. This is beautiful, isn't it? So you're on the lower floor here.
On the bottom floor this time, Dave,
But I tell you what, look at that. You've got the bubbles going in that pool.
I've lain there for a good few hours.
I can imagine, yeah. And you've got lovely sunbed areas and, well, no one seems to be reserving the sunbed. It's very peaceful.
No, there's no reserved. I mean, there's cushions on the vast majority of them.
Yeah.
And then the waitresses come round with a button system, so you just press a button and then they come over and take your drinks order.
Yeah, wow, that is amazing. That is beautiful. I love it. It's really, really nice. So we are going to have a little chat on this terrace for what we call Terrace Talk.
Okay.
So this Terrace Talk is going to be part of a podcast. So for those of you watching, make sure to watch the next video because me and Mike are going to sit here and have a good old gossip all about his holiday here in Lanzarote and, of course, this beautiful hotel. So come on, let's sit down there on this big, beautiful terrace. Let's go.